Welcome back, everyone. Today the Jeep project is going to involve all the lighting. We're going to replace the headlights, the marker lights, the tail lights. We have a third brake light that's going in. So we're going to do lots of lighting work today. I thought it would be clever to measure how much power the existing light bulbs use for the headlights and compare that with the power consumption of the LEDs. So we're going to tap into the wire harness. I brought some tools that will measure the current, and we can show the before and after with the lighting, whether it's brighter, whether it's more efficient. Those will be important to understand.
The actual light.
Oh, we got it.
Wait.
Oh, that divider.
Wow.
Right first. Yeah, so I just removed the old taillights and we installed new ones. The connectors were a little sticky because they were covered with protector foam that kind of melted onto them. So we had to clean them off with some special electronic cleaner so it didn't damage the plastic connectors. They look much better. Yeah, they're a lot cleaner.
Right, it was like 0.1?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. April, I think you got one.
Yeah, it fits.
We're in progress of getting the headlights in. One side's in. I think the driver's side is in. We made some mistakes on removing the old headlight. It has some adjustments on the back, and we thought those were the ones to remove it. So we ended up disturbing the adjustment, but we ended up getting the correct bezel off, and the headlight comes out. The bezel's what holds the new headlight in, so we had figured that out kind of the hard way. They're now working on the passenger side. That should go much easier. They're just trying to manage the screws, keep them from dropping down. It's a little bit of a tedious process, but it's going well.
Alright, so today I got the chance to change the old headlights. We started off by removing this little outer ring right here, and after that we took out some screws that held this light in. It popped right out, which was perfect, no struggle there. We took out, well, we put a new light, this one right here, and there was a little problem on the other one where it was not adjusted, so we had to adjust it with these little screws in the back and then put everything back together. But everything's up and connected and it should work.
So we've removed the light bar from above the windshield, and there's an adhesive gasket that they're removing off of the paint. So some of it's exposed. You want to make sure the paint's nice and clean. We're going to be replacing the mounts with some new mounts from Quadratech. Also, we'll be running the wiring underneath the dashboard and into the battery so that we get full power to the new LEDs. Putting it this way or this way, right?
I would say you would put it this way.
Because you're gonna watch us.
16-year-olds, bro. Kind of tough. It's like one of those.
Oh. It is? Okay, great. This looks like we could, black is usually the ground for 12 volts. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. It's like a grip strength test. Go, go, go. Yeah, I think that's it. Good.
Down. Oh, pop them.
Able to get all the lighting installed. However, the upper bar here, this main light bar, some wiring is still not connected. We think we're going to use the entire Quadratech harness instead of the existing harness that was in there already. There's relays and a fair amount of instructions to read on that. We didn't have time today to finish that. Also, we have a fast blinker, and we're futzing with the relay. We have a new LED relay. It goes up under the dash. We replaced it, and that didn't seem to work at all. There was no signals. So we either have fast signals or no signals. So we're diagnosing that problem right now. There's a different number of prongs on the back of the LED relay. So we're troubleshooting that. Students were a big help today. We had a lot of difficult things to tackle. The rear brake light was miswired. Turns out the wiring convention on the colors is different on that. Turns out you have to wire the black with the red in order to make it work, which is typically something you don't do because it's ground. But we got it swapped and that does work now. So the lighting overall looks great. The headlights are amazing, really make a dramatic improvement both to the aesthetics and also the brightness of the lights. They actually draw less current, which is a great thing for economy and basically overall aesthetics. So really happy. Good job today.
Thank you everybody for watching. Be sure and hit the like button and subscribe.